I'm the new hire for M&M Garage Doors, Mr. Exceptional, and I will open your door to exceptional.
Wasn't expecting Mr. Monopoly to just come walking in here on the phone, but
Hey, that's Mr. Exceptional to you. I'm the new hire.
put together.
Exceptional. As part of the M&M dock and door experience, Mr. Exceptional, the new hire, does have to come in and make sure everything is in order. I'm a big fan of the dry erase, but could use a little bit of work. Overall, this is an exceptional place to work and to be a customer.
Mr. Exceptional.
Exceptional. This fine piece of equipment is exceptional.